Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm going to be doing a Rugrats themed chip bag. The images will also be available on my Patreon page. As you can see, I have all of my images over here. I'm going to attempt to put something together. So let's go ahead and see what we can come up with. Okay, so let's go to format, go to corrections, and let's see what happens. Okay, that looks nice. I'm going to go ahead and put this over there. I'm going to copy, paste it. I can also put this over here. I'm going to bring it down a little bit. Okay. And let's see if we want to use this. Let's see what this looks like. Bring forward.
I probably update Tony Gonzalez, dude. I need some fucking alignment. My line is red.
Okay, not too sure on this. Alright, let me insert shapes. Rectangle, I'm just right now going to enter. I think I'm going to make it white for right now. Let me send this backwards as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and make this a little bit bigger. Add some more of the other characters in here. Let's add Leo, format, forward. Let's change the direction. There we go. There is Deal. Bring Tommy and Chucky in. Bring forward. Alright, their color seems a little bit off, so I'm going to try to brighten it. I'm going to format, corrections. There we go. Alright, great. Now I'm also going to go to insert, shapes, and rectangle. I'm going to go ahead and make a border. Copy, paste. Alright, now let's insert some font. Let's get the kitty font going. insert some more fonts. Alright, and I already got some words already done up for the back. Let me just bring it forward, go to format, calling all Rugrats, bring that forward as well. Alright, now for this one I want to go with the green outline black. What does that look like? Not really feeling that. Okay, what about the purple? No. What about the outline white? No. So what if I just do the words white? Okay, that works. Or would that gold color look right? Let me see. Alright, I think I'm going to keep it like that. Or maybe, okay, yeah. I'm going to keep it like that. Okay, so that is my take on the Rugrats theme chip bag. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very soon.